Miko Williams. Welcome to my DIY channel. Subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell, which will give you the notification when I upload my new videos. Here are the following items that you would need for this project. Write down everything that you see in the display, and don't forget you also need a pillow. In this next clip, you're going to see me using artificial flowers from the Dollar Tree store. It depends on the size pillow you're trying to cover, but the actual flowers that I'm using is about 20 stems, and on each stem there are about 3 to 4 artificial flowers. You want to make sure that your pillow color match your actual artificial flowers, so the blending will be much easier and softer in the eye. So what you see here is me actually taking off each flower or rose petal off the stem, and I'm applying glue, hot glue, on the back of the green part of the flower. And what I'm going to do is attach it to the pillow. So I'm going to put hot glue on the back of the green part, and I'm going to press it down on the pillow, as you can see here in this clip that I'm showing you. And once I get enough of the glue, the hot glue, on the back of the green part of the rose petal, then you can flip it over and actually press it into the pillow. And you want to repeat this all over the pillow. I'm going to be using a pattern of an X, so I can fill in each section by section, and that way I could kind of get an idea of how many flowers I actually need to use to cover this pillow. So I do show right here that I'm actually applying it on the background material of the pillow, and I'm pressing the flower in. You want to fill in each empty space as much as possible and butt them together. Another thing that I'm doing here is that I'm actually taking the bottom petals of the rose petal and I'm actually flaring them out, and they're covering spots that I don't want to be seen and I want to be hidden, and it gives off that fullness illusion. So that's what you see me doing here. Take a look. So here I'm just about finished. You can see that I covered majority of it, and I have a little bit more areas that I need to fill in to my left, which will be your right. And I'm loving how this is turning out. So this is what the pillow actually looked like once I fill in all of the empty spots and I actually flare out the petals. So it looks really nice. So I'm happy with this, and let's take a look at how it looks at this point on my bed. I'm loving it. Yes, this is pretty. It's very elegant. It adds a very soft, elegant home decor to any setting that you put it in, whether it's on a couch or your bed or a sofa, or you know, in a living room and dining room. It's really nice. I would like to say thank you for joining my DIY. Subscribe, hit like, click the bell so you get a notification, and leave a comment. And I'm Miko Williams. Thank you for watching.